So this video was really about how to add someone to your Garmin Connect account, but I'm going to show you how to actually install the Connect account or to sign in or sign up for them. But anyways, you go to the App Store and do a search, just coming up here. You know, you get to your App Store thing here. Then go to the search and type in Garmin Index. And actually what's funny here, I spelt it wrong, but it still found the app. So anyways, go ahead, type that in, Garmin, Connect. Do the search, and it comes up. There you go. That's the app right there. And I have it loaded already. Alright, so we're going to open it up. So yeah, if you're a new user, you go create account. So we're going to go and click on there. Again, this was really supposed to be about connecting someone to your Garmin Index scale as a second user, but let's just go through the sign up process because you have to do this. If there's a new user in your house, you have to do this anyway. So all we did, launch the app, mark on you've read the agreement, and click next because your new user needs to be signed up, right? So, and it's just basically running through here your name. You don't have to use your real name. You can have any name that you want in there. But yeah, this is a sign-in screen. I'm just gonna make up a name, whatever you want. Yeah, you should try to put in an actual email address. That would be beneficial because you're going to use that to, you know, in the future. This is a person who you want to add to your normal index scale. So, you know, the email address comes in very handy coming up here. You know, pick a password that you can remember. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to go. That thing that you can't see, it says confirm that you're 18 years. There it is. Be sure to select that because if you don't select that, it will not connect. There's going to be issues, so make sure you select that over 18 thing. So anyways, you get someone set up and you're going to be presented with this screen here. Don't worry about it. You don't have to worry about adding a device. You know, it's all irrelevant. Just go back. You can actually even log out of it at this point. I didn't do that here, but you can just get out, go to My Day, look at it if you want. It's all fine. So what was happening is I tried to connect them with mine, but I had to go back to the internet on my PC and look them up again because I did try to do the invite, and there it goes. It says invite. I already did invite them. This is why I don't think anyone makes videos about this app because it's so difficult, like this sign-in business. And honestly, I'm still confused about it, but if it didn't work through the app stuff, try this. So I went into the PC, I sent that request again. I went back to their iPad, and it said, you know, are you going to accept that? And it says, yeah, okay, and get started. And then what's important here, there has to be the birth date in there. They have to be over 18. If that's not correct, it's not going to work. It won't sync up. So you have to go in and, you know, select a date. I was getting a little bit frustrated here. I finally just said, yeah, okay, whatever date. Fine. And then, you know, again, you can modify the stats there. We're going to go up to the, for your index scale, at the very top where it says your name or initials. That's what's going to show up on the scale. And if you have that weight entered in properly for that person that you're entering, the scale will recognize that. It's going to go, okay, well, who's associated with this scale and who is closest to 135 pounds? And what's going to happen when you step on the scale after, it's going to go, okay, so this person's 135, and it's going to recognize them. It's going to show their whatever their name is that you enter in. So it will show up on the scale. It's like very automatic. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm sorry, like this video is not all that clear. It's because, I mean, I had a lot of trouble with this. I still don't fully understand it, but it's kind of like you just have to try and retry and try again. If it doesn't work on your smartphone or your iPad or iPhone or whatever, you might have to go into the PC, do some checking. But, you know, here we're just associating that smart scale with them. And away it goes. I mean, it ended up working out fine. I had them stand on the scale, and it did recognize them after. But, yeah, a very weird process. I'm sorry I couldn't be more clear on this video, but I had so much trouble. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and again, I'm sorry this was not all that clear, but it's very strange situation here with Garmin products. I love the products, but again, this whole setup was very, very odd. Yeah. Anyways, and this was not my first attempt, by the way. I tried this several times, and I just could not get this right. So you gotta keep at it, do some hits and misses, and hopefully it will work out for you. Anyways, take care. Have a great day. Like, subscribe.